Tips and tricks for using Sky Q. To discover new series, press Home. Swipe right and go down to find the top new series recommended for you. To find more new series, go to the TV guide and swipe or press up. When you're in the TV guide, press Fast Forward to skip forward 24 hours. Rewind to go back 24 hours. Or Play to go back to what's on now. You can quickly move back through menus by pressing left on your Sky Q remote. To go back to live full-screen TV from Sky Q menus, press Dismiss. For more information, go to sky.com/help. Check out more Sky Help videos and remember to subscribe.